Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury and performance with the 2026 BMW M2 Motorhome. A masterpiece of design and engineering, this motorhome sets new standards for both comfort and power. As you step inside, you're greeted with a sporty yet elegantly designed living area that blends modern aesthetics with functional luxury. The materials used throughout are of the highest quality, from premium M-stitched leather seating to brushed aluminum and carbon fiber accents. The living room area includes a large flat-screen TV, a high-end Harman Kardon sound system, and a panoramic skylight for breathtaking views on the road. The kitchen is fully equipped with the latest appliances, including a built-in coffee machine, a refrigerator, and even a wine cooler for those who enjoy the finer things in life. The bedroom, with a king-size bed, offers unmatched comfort, and the ensuite bathroom features premium fixtures, ensuring that you have all the comforts of home even when you're on the move. Now moving to the exterior, the 2026 BMW M2 Motorhome is a true work of art. With its aggressive aerodynamic design, inspired by the M2 sports car, it cuts through the wind effortlessly, improving both fuel efficiency and handling. The exterior is finished with BMW's signature metallic paint options, which not only look stunning, but also provide durability. The large retractable awning creates a perfect outdoor space for relaxation, while the custom M-alloy wheels and iconic kidney grille with the BMW Rondel add a touch of exclusivity. The motorhome is built on a performance-tuned yet lightweight chassis, making it easy to handle without sacrificing strength or stability. The attention to detail on the exterior is exceptional, ensuring that this motorhome stands out wherever you go. When it comes to performance, the 2026 BMW M2 Motorhome is a cutting-edge engine that combines power and efficiency. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling tougher terrains, this motorhome delivers an exhilarating driving experience. The 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged inline-six engine, adapted from the legendary M2, produces impressive horsepower, while being paired with an advanced adaptive suspension system to ensure a smooth ride even on rough roads. The BMW M2 Motorhome is equipped with BMW's 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission that shifts seamlessly, providing you with the perfect balance between precision and comfort. Additionally, the BMW M2 Motorhome features advanced drive assist technology, including adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist, making it easier to navigate tight spaces and busy streets. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 BMW M2 Motorhome is undoubtedly a premium product, and its price reflects that. With a starting price of around $450,000, it's not an option for the budget-conscious. But for those seeking the pinnacle of sport-inspired luxury and performance, it offers exceptional value. The price tag includes all the bespoke features, the incredible performance, and the unmatched craftsmanship that comes with the BMW M name. When you invest in this motorhome, you're not just buying a vehicle, you're investing in a lifestyle. To sum up, the 2026 BMW M2 Motorhome is an extraordinary blend of luxury, sport-inspired performance, and cutting-edge technology. It offers a level of comfort and sophistication that is unmatched in the world of motorhomes. Whether you're planning a long road trip or simply want the ultimate luxury experience on wheels, the BMW M2 Motorhome delivers on all fronts. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.